All right, YouTube, one final truck here. After an exciting day here comes Escondido Disposal's McNeil's ZR garbage truck. What up? Not much. Yeah! I told y'all this garbage day is gonna end well after 6 p.m. and at this rate. Woo! On lives at Kuwait, baby. Woo! Wow. Made me jump. Look at that clear sky over there. When I came out here a little while ago, it was drizzling, but now it is so dead quiet. But it's not gonna stay this quiet for long. Okay. YouTube, don't do what that car just did. Beating the garbage truck. At least the garbage truck is well gone. Whoa. YouTube, I hope you guys enjoy this video this Tuesday, especially getting this one of the last remaining rapid rail garbage trucks in existence. Woohoo! Great crew, great garbage truck. There goes to the dump. Woo!